This is what happens when you eat meat in front of a vegan.
So how do you feel about plants being killed?
I mean, that breaks my heart as well. They have thoughts, they have feelings, and for us to just kill those plants is, you know, it's tough. We slaughter pigs and we slaughter cows. You know, we take those axes and we chop them, but we wouldn't do that to a human, right?
Sorry, I just had to get my lunch mid-interview, you know?
I get it.
I actually got some Buffalo Wild Wings.
Oh, cool. They have vegan wings there.
If you don't mind, dude.
He said he was a Gemini, didn't he?
They actually are vegan wings.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm a jokester, I'm a jokester. It was troll.
Yeah, I'm not an idiot. Buffalo Wild Wings doesn't have vegan wings.
You got me. It's not vegan. But I am gonna enjoy these wings,
So
so.
were you not listening to anything I just said?
No, I was.
Think about the little chickens that were just slaughtered for those. How would you like it if I just came up to you and fucking chopped your head off with an axe? Would you like it? Because that's exactly what happened to those chickens, and by eating them, you're giving into that.
Shout out to all the chickens.